That day, I invited her to come to my house. So she came. She was asking me for transport. I thought I didn't have. She now came. So when she came, she was not asking me for 3,000. I told her, me too, I don't have 3,000. I'm only managing myself. She said, no, well, I said she will stay like that. She can't stay. I can't go buy no. She can't stay. As she stay, that's how the whole thing starts. She can't say she's hungry. I can't tell her and say, make she relax. Food they come. She can't say, no, wala. Say she go wait till food come. And she can't wait. She can't wait. Or her body temperature can't rise. Because say hungry they marry her. I can't go marry Indomie for her. She can't carry noodles come. How I want to prepare them? She was asking. I told her it's the way I want to prepare it. She can't say no wahala. Make her just make sure so I cook and say she nice. I can't cook and she can't nice. She can't nice the thing. She can't go. Her food can't ready. I can't serve her the food. That was how the whole thing started. I cut her neck.
You carry her go where before you cut her neck?
Inside her room, now I cut her neck.
Okay.
I cut her neck. That was it.
How she gonna take enter your bathroom?
I told her to enter my bathroom.
Okay.
She now entered. That was how the whole thing started.
As she enter your bathroom, what you gonna do?
I said, make she like now. Put her leg for her hand for that ocean business. She can't lie down there. Her neck, I can't carry the neck. I cut her. She was not dragging.
And then what you go?
I went on cutting her neck.
Okay.
That was it.